Any manager, so any director, so any producer, so any.
Okay, cool. So I do his promotions for him, and I'm his managing as well.
7 kisses, Bilitia to so Missy Aobia. Atafubo Shire, Missy Mayamida. I don't quite any boss in team trying to picture.
Listen, I come on bossy. I'm bending once, I'm better than Miss Nidia than in his soakies.
Sɛ wowɔ US, UK, anaa Canada, na sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo send sika ɛma w'abusuafoɔ ɛwɔ Ghana, you see Lemfi. Ane Lemfi, ɛwɔ Lemfi so no, sɛ wo send sika ma w'abusuafoɔ a ɛyɛ secure, ɛna yɛwɔ 0 transaction fees. Ane 0 transaction fees. Enti fa Lemfi send sika ɛma w'abusuafoɔ wɔ Ghana. Na Lemfi so deɛ, yɛ exchange rate no any the best on the market.
Alright, great people. We're going to talk about Poleeno Multimedia. The name still remains the Fresh Boy Papa J. Well, the Saturday because you're Kumasi City Mall. You're Kumasi City Mall. And then, you're one and only 7 case. And then, releasing the EP, Green Heart EP. 7 cases with 7 songs on it. And anyway, P2 Lounge and event so now a lot of dignitaries and also entertainment people and a bemu and you Allo Maadwoa, you Tumani Beat, Portfolio, Abro, a lot coming in film by 3940 Checheku, a lot of squad in by Allo Maadwoa joining me. Allo Maadwoa, Allo Bokode.
Yami adumo bra penyi ba cho so.
Bibia bokopa. 7 cases who 7 cases no Allo Maadwoa because 7 cases. I mean because 7 cases so.
Yeah, 7 cases.
7 cases. There's a case near 7 by 7 cases. Cause 7 cases. It is all Allo Maadwoa. Now one 7 cases and I said the WhatsApp up man when you
Sure.
But most of uta promote around 4 songs.
Yeah.
Most of songs na man for you no nyano bro.
Yeah.
Emma wow they dance books and I said one picking out there.
It depends. Sometimes me and I'm a fact. So mostly I do it for the underground. Okay. Once a new be a bit me to your payments now, but sometimes we do it to support them.
Wow,
yeah, sure,
wow.
Yeah.
Because me time we say yes I man more on TikTok. Eddie push a man for songs. So times we upcoming out here more.
Sure, mostly. Yeah. And the A-list artists too. Sometimes they call me for promo. Then they pay me. Then I do it for them. But
wow. Me can't time me can't say Imas Hotel office Old Town.
Yeah.
Now o shall say Japan.
Yeah.
Who be the dance IBB.
Sure.
Oh
yeah, sure. Yami adom yet me the IBB. Me adom.
As what me asan kasa no. So side no me so about for some a
lot
of guys.
Of course. It's true.
Send away videos.
Yeah, and I'm here videos pa. And also count a man call for it me in whom me around. Like I'm with me share me image, wherever I am there, you see people calling me, yo, Charlie, but home they say, yeah, sure works baby way back. So and also count videos in the count so need to me promote it. Yeah, sure.
Then I'm what for dance and one as a profession. Now one for you for me account.
Okay, so growing up, it's something I was doing from kid time in a so after senior high school, I got a scholarship to Alliance Française.
Okay.
So my 3rd month, and I'm say no, the talent is there. I need to focus on the talent. So a risk, and I'm taking, and I'm the better dance. And God so being good, yet me they do this far.
Alliance Française my scholarship.
Yeah, sure.
Me
performing. I call 2 months. The 3rd month, me complete. That's a new piece card.
Asana you there.
I swear.
Wow. It's a group no more sense to say. Come because na one kwara bebre.
Yeah. Allo dancers right now we are 6 in number. And academy name almost 40 students are here training almost this year.
Who academy?
Yeah, Allo Dance Academy on.
Kumasi here.
Yeah, sure, Kumasi here.
Among for the mama bro and I say obi one ma on one person was on wabase chena sa.
Okay, I mostly scout. Mostly yes scouting now your baby on some parents now kasa na dey on board say they want us to promote them. Yeah, sure.
concept how this sano I now for free because me sure we will be a dynamic moves man.
Sure, nyame. Because sometimes me come busa me say idea we free for the buy. Nyame overji.
Oh dance movie I want cause I say we dem na me buy. Where the moves go will be as be where they allow me na invent this as.
Oh, it's a lot. Baby.
Wow.
Baby. It be on my right now. I'm more defined in a way. Like I'm more the back current. Sisia and on my in some way. But it was originated from this move. Yeah, sure.
Matete issues baby concerning wo Allo Dane and Dance God Lloyd. Not saying, not what you saying before.
Oh, actually, first of all, I've been warned not to talk about this issue again. We were cool, and even still we are cool. So there's no issue around. We are cool.
Danny, way back now or somewhere.
Yeah, sure.
But so anyway.
Our crisis, yeah.
Oh, okay. But we are cool, right?
Oh yeah, we are cool.
Yeah, we 7 cases.
Okay.
Yes, we are the managers, or any directors, or any producers, or any.
Okay, cool. So I do his promotions for him, and I'm a sound managing as well. So I do 2 things for him.
Also managing and assigning promotions, and I think say promo also why in the year power.
Yamisha Babaji, that's a
the song I release here didn't blow here. Picture.
Yeah, me the theater so yeah, picture. Yeah.
And EP ways to be.
Oh no, I can't EP now. EP no song ni release back okra. You be releasing the God willing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Sure. Because we want people to feel the real talent of him, like the talent side of him. Because people are normally saying, say, one song pen am omunim. So they think, say, only me that song. So we wanted it to be dynamic. Continue compile 7 songs on the EP for them to feel him, to know, say, obit me. So yeah, sure.
Also, people's how do you want to say one song?
Yeah.
That is
yeah. And on the song, and for the names here, but they should expect more from him.
And a big challenge, because that song is a very big song. So, cause show be one performing that song.
Oh yeah, sure.
This EP, and you may also obviously a powerful. I'm a man for picture.
I think I would say Asumesi and Don't Stress, because it's a touching song. Content song. We say what I would say inside on it talks about life, and what I say. Sometimes you shall say free baby near the baby do baby. And you know where we're from, it's easy to feel because oh yeah, the parkour still a better than the show image. What I say, so it's kakaka.
But Kumasi guys, this time or hit or someone like you.
Yeah.
Mama energy be every Kumasi kopa, but at first night not be signs that anyone. So far as dance is concerned, what true energy be? The ginger mama to me yesterday.
Okay, for me, I say you call for man, I say I call for. I was doing my work. Na me here Juma time so but what I've learned in the industry is sometimes you just go offline, you read again, no correct 2 mistakes, no answer baby sanity. So I think say you not see some mistakes around, you are correcting yourself build it view.
Fantastic.
Yeah, sure.
One of the guys Ghana Asapa there Allo Maadwoa went me in free mo. Asano do what to find.
Oh yeah, they make so many places.
Wow.
So many places. Yeah,
Wow.
sure.
Wow. We also need Floking Stone, other
Oh yeah,
artists.
sure.
More videos.
Sure.
More videos. And it's quite encouraging. Tubani so bra join me. Hello. Enko bra. No say mumu tu no for now no mo ye adwuma no enyina ebom. Mo na maka mo adwabo mo de 7 case. Etumi aba. Ono the only artist are almost same city ana.
I currently the only artist.
Only the only artist almost.
Oh yes.
Wow. Debi ameka say the song picture enye problem mamo. Enyu no mamo challenges bia.
No problem. Once I don't know. Nyame adom when you hit songs on. See, amanfo ehuniti. What say amanfo hu ji obetimi aye. It's EP we na about the whole body, like the whole body of 7 kids that. So we see EP album say different styles. What you say? And sana ya kanaba. Maybe maybe to your first project.
But your body and all from where?
Patrol. Your family originally Tubani then swag.
Tubani music. But some beats back or password never rap no. Na me ma sing it.
Password akasa dey no problems to do. The password party I am found. But who say ma beat out this baby? Met
me ato.
David
meto Maadwoa me dey Maadwoa no or the dance move e be pick.
Maadwoa, me na manage Maadwoa. See ano. What's album who?
They say Asana in particular. Your Ghana Music Awards or your Ghana Movie Awards or are very popular. More dancers. You will be beside why the animal.
Oh yeah. Even 2017, I won the best dance video, best dance group of the year.
Okay.
That was Rush Dance Awards. Yeah. They have been doing it. And yeah, dance Terra every year December we do dance festivals near there. I not most of the dancers near there. It's there, but we are just praying say chat house for Subebuai. Normally a category ni be mama. At least choreographer of the year cry for macho.
It was there before Embassy Pleasure. Sometimes na Ghana Music Awards. Omo ye ni nyina afra. What is but dancers you see more beef pa.
Oh, there is no beef.
Yeah, you see more beef. You see dancers you see beef. Way more.
And I mean
dancers no. You see beef. Omo share baby a o see me na me say we see na me say. Eso omo tu nro nya nro. Me share
Baby on na sabu from industry ni kwe nro.
ka asaso amosaso de
Nka asaso de senga asa de nke decide dia group.
because guy we combos man e ka asasem no o say aya mo ba stage kwa utimi tutia obi say mo mutimi nsa na mo be sorry ne say mo dance say mo
sir, and I have no idea about it.
na unko show me no ma ento so ma show we dem
Me experience be that day. We just prayed and we start to perform. That's all. Me experience be that day.
fantastic mo yere na mo discover 7 cases
Oh, any there.
allo o yere na discover
Okay, so I met him through my African Got Talents program. Now I'm here to support either. So he called say, oh, he feel like a person on pass it through. So I gave him the chance to pass through, and got so good. Oba and performing well, and people were really responding to. Yami Adam, and it's me started the journey. And in 1 year, this month here, and they release it EP. Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because that time now with our music box be now 5 areas now what jayana
Oh, me go so yeah, but I just said these days, you know. See, yeah, different. Things.
banti.
Oh, there is kind of nyama. Mr. Pavaje, ba mu nyina meti.
all right where team near the mo record label no
Records. Yeah.
Big 7 records or more penny for na Tubani, them swag and then Allo Maadwoa and Omukuta 7 kids. 7 kids nka sama twena me na bon komo kakra na ye rem. Na me ankasa me am some artist aba. Currency any Richie almost so ewa 7 cases. Yeah, obetimi akowa me that's Paulo. 7 cases. Me di tiatu so me see AOB ya. Wait, me bo C sharp. Atafu bo shire me see me ya mi da. Ono kwani mi boss inti me trying picture.
Listen, akumani ebosi, ombenu wasam, ombedede mezeni diarara nini sokis, udona mama yobi, enyo waga mi yobi, mishawa ni mana mi joki.
One time. 7 cases. Ono and ben see nyina way no home. Where Green Heart. That's the title of the EP.
Yeah, that's the title of the EP, Green Heart.
Green Heart. How many songs there were EP?
Okay, there were 7 songs.
7 songs to Bobo Suma me then.
7 songs. Green Heart is number 1, Alcohol number 2, Size number 3, Sweet Me number 4, Asumesi number 5, and Thank You number 7. And I said, yeah, I think it's my mix it.
Yes. Your song. No what enyumba kubi. Odo yewu wa nkuma homa tia.
Udonu na medi wachi ama misuma fawakatia.
Sanyun say one kasa on your own. Na o push nyum no pa, o ko baby na nkofo te ho a. Na one kasa wa bonyum no. Na wa to my girls no. What your girls be say?
Oh, it's all about the work. Me the man should that near you must see.
They are on your case 7 case. They on your back kubi.
Oh, damn.
But in Saturday you're on your own.
I was still working with my team.
Oh, that time no only 7 motive no to buy any allo. Oh, okay. And that song and I do have a bomb picture.
Sure.
Picture was a banger. It's a banger.
A hit.
No news ever basa.
Yes, it's just a one video you did two out there, and the song was boom.
And concept idea video no that dummy na one channel channel.
People are always talking about it. Yes, it's just normal. It's a Jumani planning say the way be say and no the fire.
Once a song a big song.
It's a hit worldwide.
And then a mao.
Oh, minya konya ko TGM on song category ni man na mi shame. Minya shows outside and me and Father Baminia show big shows were outside. The me we baby so like me and Kasakra meanwhile.
No, I was expecting Senka, and I am expecting Senka Bewo EP so, but I'm also
Okay, so we a new project I did by amount for 7Ks.
okay.
So never say no dear. The two new kwan
And no a single about as a single.
Sure.
Oh, okay. And that song, would you to say a yard no signature?
Mean Jin to Musa cause any ma be meet my different styles of songs and I meet me at Mean Jin to Musa a yard and style.
They are now say artists nya hit songs sound. And I'm my artist. I'm looking forward for the next song. I best suppresses that particular song. So, in any time, Biano, I'm for visa. Oh, new way there, a beyond to sign you and more pressure and more challenge.
Oh, and mommy challenges be me who is said me here we am a command down junior on a fire. The son of for back and a baby too.
Asumasi wati kwa hu na okansem Unia ebewie usain Utite mfiche na osho munkwem China pata crash and them Yo baby ya no abo humodi na yebeko Uye baba boni kra yebeko Bon humodi yebeka wasem da wan bon humodi yebedi watem da
Particular song we very nice pa asumesi title asumesi but tell fans and can be fans
big shouts to all my fans team 7 Nyamisho Bibia are supporting what you say. The song is out on this midnighter. Bianco Chili video for the first song is on YouTube so I'll be nebi no watching na be able
yeah that YouTube near the video
and no yeah Green Heart the #1 on the EP
okay.
Yeah
we 7Ks and yɛde be share yɛtwen ko chale nyame kan wate yɛ wo homa wate bibia ni anso ache kra so the EP listener no eba so ewo P2 la na me am kasa me art currency bra mama introduce me artist we mama introduce me boy we yeah currency no currency focus on the 24 abaja so no we watch out for this guy a friend currency me and the manager Tubani, me mo bo beat ama currency why? Aha, me dey bro. Currency, be about there. Yeah, 24 no so e
cost pa, you go see promotion or other romance. You go see a juma pa market be a cost for real.
We me artist am dey neighbor. Me outdoor no later. Which my freestyle to e
yeah, for real. 2024 we coming harder than before. Brano dear me bought my bunny, yeah, me yeah my boy. Hey, blessings upon blessing falling, Muntio Musa, yeah, more. 24 is out now. Go check it out. It's currency, focus.
Currency, I see focus. Hey, manager Richie. There's a baby cost. Zach GH Soba. Zach, why late? Okay. Okay, master. Why late? On the Zach Ojan. Also, portfolio so. That's much you. Because some things are some about.
Sobi Flex. Now, Sobi Flex says he's in Ghana. Want to the motor and it's very important. So he wants to also support the Green Heart EP with a token. Well, for he says he supports us with 1,000 what your mom was saying. Thank you so much, Sobi Flex. God bless you. All right, sit off. And also, take the dream with 1,000 Ghana cedis as well. Sit off, let me shout, but I'm going to sit off. And 1,000 cedis. That's Canada, 10 million. Sit off. I'm shout. That one is coming from the same way. When you Pablo, what can't you is coming from the same way. You're right, what city are I also say we take my. Say no one as one as I Anyway, let's hear from you.
Abro.
We are percent me can be brave, but
Papa G.
Abro team 7 minutes. I think you guys have done a good job. Yeah, promotion. I think what better promotion. But see, I'll advise. You know, abroad the air on your country. Yeah. See, promotion. My time, madam for no. They get better promotion. Because if you take abroad, madam for me, at least from talking. So I can say madam for you, mama, bro. When you smell, may you interview by 10 minutes. Later, me Bobby. So I'm begging you guys, Team 7. Mama Enfa and I'm for promotion 20. That will do better promotion. Now make one. Now me say you need to need to here. Or the no buy. General and find channel. I know come the message. It has to be really that's senior man, bro. Mama Sana. But we have a clan or a family here. The name is Wolfgang. That's my people. Atayashem is the one that they betray me. Mama Sana. Atayashem, talk to Atayashem. Secure official G. Yeah. But I'm going to say, now I'm going to support Team 7. But I'm going to copy back. Give me a copy of that. Yeah. Yeah. But there's one artist, or one artist, what I'm going to my friend Quavy. Quavy has a song, my friend on God. They do song. It's a really dope song. Well, the Wolfgang said, Wolfgang said they want to also support Team 7. Someone say, what do you not buying on? Get 500 for now. 500 Ghana cedis. Anyway, wire transfer. It's in many outlets now. Maybe before I talk about it, there's a whisker. I have trust issues. You know, so I see the outlets before I talk about it. I'm Michelle Wolfgang. Thank you so much. All right. So, I think Anthony, why are you ready? Okay. MC is here also has something to say or to share with us. Senior.
Alright, so first of all, I was somewhere about some weeks ago now, and Komobi Koso and Penny for Binton. Now, Penny for no more common about Chroma outside. And at the old Chroma, I advise the one which they say. Office Cameron may invest to Ghana music him. But I'll be investment number Kumasi. Because right now, person on him far. Kumasi DJs never man far. Mama said, I was so happy that day.
Promotion.
Yeah, man, I see. So first of all, present the DJs of Bonyamin Shao Bia. God bless you all. Say I'm an ice will be wide James. What person here? Juma we are Bra Kumasi. Best starting the day of Kumasi because we are Kumasi a bad day. We are a bad day. 80 million more day. If you never go ahead then. Promoters know some more bar. I ask can I see woman with you? Yeah. Anytime you see for Mr. If you never go, why support your artist now? And you want me that pa assume no at the too much. And at the end, assume no. Anything much from my neck corner. Said the air Jumana outside. And if I want to say, okay, if I want to invest, let me come to Kumasi Ghana and invest. Let's keep it up. I don't want them going to be on top. Thank you. God bless everyone.
Anthony, Abisha, thank you so much. You're kind of reality. We've heard you. The team will work on that. Alright. Hey, John, I'm going to check and I'm not going to be portfolio right then, I am on chicken rice. Portfolio right then, I am on chicken rice. So go back up on chicken rice. Yes. I'm going on the beach now. Okay. So another copy has been purchased. But your brother be a friend and an entry. An entry will say, you say, or no super cell or supporting Team 7. And I say you need 7 kiss. Iti, we kita me on the description say, Was it with 1,000 Ghana cedis? 86 and 10 million. Chairman was a cacao. Okay, and then Pacho Ba. Muniscano is kind of how many infamous and what? I come on, I quit you. And if there's anyone here, Pacho, if there's anyone here who still wants to say something about the project now, what's here now? You can. Okay. Victor DJ. That's a person who submission.
That's what they make a prayer. I can't go upon. Who are those forgettable? Cheers. With my brother, every Tony. For you to have it on us. Every Tony.
I believe respect for by inviting us here. We are so replicated by promoting this song. Most of the time, it's between artists and promoters, DJs, any of them who are so what they you don't push it. I believe that before the song is finished, you also have the next one, I said, I think we should work on this. Because as a musician, I believe it's not only about the recording, it's about performance as well. And then as an artist, baby, your energy is supposed to consume the whole place. Maybe an interview, I think it was quite energetic. But I thought so, but I think it was so slow. I like it. So I believe but we need to work on his attitude going forward. And then I also believe that as a DJ, when I listen to the music, make sure how to mix it when I'm playing my songs. As soon as I see one of the best on the whole project. But I believe as a lyrics in the boy to the end. So the producer and it's on my band 8 bars after the whole thing. Yes, one I know for 8 bars for sharing my and that will be the best. And I also believe you see about Okabro. Say Okabro Okachina on the Brofo. Ever shame, I think the first song. So he wasn't really pleased with it. But I also want to refine that comment. Say, you say the same thing in English. But what makes it English with the Chino is the positive way out. Because we are not only looking at the Ghanaian market. We are here now, we are going international. And anyone in Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya, they are about 20 years now. They are supposed to find themselves in there. So I believe these few things, if you put them together, we are here, we are committed, say, you have access. Thank you.
Charlie, that's a sweet submission. I'm sure senior. He started by talking about the attitude. I was the artist, there was no attitude, kaka. As I believe he said, 7 Kids energy not the is slow, kaka. And he also actually emphasized that he's eager. So some of these things. So earlier on premise, I was saying earlier, I said we are here. You want to say corrections, say congratulations.
Africa.